Hey you guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another product review. As part 2 of my excited work series on their tools, received this the other day. It's an 800 watt drywall sander with the vacuum bag, so that when you're sanding, the vacuum sucks up all the dust into a little pouch. You're still going to get a little bit of residue coming out, but the bulk of the sand or the dust that emits from a sander is collected into a convenient bag where you can just offload into the garbage and not have to breathe it into your lungs. So let's unbox it right now and see what it looks like. Excited Work is a manufacturer in China, and they want to market their products here in the United States. They have an Amazon store where you can find all their products. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested at the end of the video. Let's see what's in the box here. This is just a carry-all bag. Here's the vacuum tube. This is the vacuum bag where the excess dust from the sanding goes into, connected to the tube. Here are a selection of different grit sandpaper, round with the Velcro hook and loop type thing, so you just stick it on and you're good to go. It's listed on the back here about what grit it is: P320, P120. Instruction manual. Get out of here, we don't need to read instructions, I'll figure it out. Side holding handle with Allen key, washers, shims, some extra brushes for the motor, and a Phillips screwdriver. Wow, this is huge. It's an orbital sander, huh? Look at this. Very well packed. Look at that, that's huge. I never expected to be that big. I thought it was just one of those hand sanders. This is no joke. Well packed for shipping. Oh, do you see a strip of lights here? I do. That is fancy schmancy. This is cool. Look at that. Holy cow. All right, so let's see here. This is obviously the on and off switch. The dash is on, the O is off. This is the speed that you want. Speed selector, 6, 5. 6 is highest, 5, 4. Here we have the trigger to start it. And then if you're doing a lot of material and you don't want to keep holding it with the pressure, there's a button here that holds it there, so it stays on while you don't have to pull the trigger. Then when you want to disengage it, it comes right out like that. This I don't know what it is yet because I didn't read the instructions, but I'm assuming it's the light intensity. We'll try it when we plug it in later. Like I said, it has a side handle here. And it looks like it's just very straightforward. Just screw it in. Now you got a handle to hold it, you know? Maybe that washer should have been in there. I'm not sure. I doubt it. Oh, look, you can do left-handed or right-handed. So since I'm right-handed, your dominant hand, you'll use this, using your left hand for support, like that. Awesome. Let's see about putting on some of these pads here. Which one should we use? Let's just use the first one we see here. As you can see, it's with the Velcro hook and loop method, and this looks like this is the pad for that. And I think what's important is you have to line up the holes to the corresponding holes in the pad, because this is where the vacuum sucks the air. So you want to line it up, and it's difficult to do. You have to stand up and kind of match it up with your eye, and then when you see it's about right, just push down and it sticks there. Here we have the bag, and you put this basically around your shoulder. Let's attach the tubes. Looks like it's very straightforward. Both ends look like they're identical.
Identical.
Just gonna shove this part in here. Has the side clips. You push it in all the way until the clips match the slits. And on the other end of the hose, you uncoil it. And on the other side of this, at the end of this bag, you have the same type of attachment. And you basically just shove it in there and make sure that these tabs go into the slits. There we go. Let's try it, huh? Okay, we're outside, and I have a strip of old drywall that I have here. I'm just gonna plug the machine in. And if you were on the go, I would say you could just simply take this bag and put it on your shoulder like that, or over your head like this. So all that stuff will go over here, but we're just here on the floor, so I'll just put this on the side. I'll have that so that I can show if it's inflating or not. Okay, here we go. Let's turn it on and see if it inflates that bag, huh? Oh, I have to, you have to pull on the trigger. Oh, let me hold it up. Wow, it's really strong. I would expect that bag to really be inflated, but it's not. Anyway, I'm just gonna go over this real quick just to show you. I'm gonna put my foot here. Wow, look at that. Look at the LED light. This doesn't seem to do anything. I'll read this and figure out what this is for. Maybe it's for, I don't know. So the bag dumps like this. This part slides out and then has an opening like this. And you can dump out whatever stuff you have in there. I didn't do too long. There's not much to dump out. But this makes it much less messier, and you're not breathing in all that stuff. I would still recommend wearing a bag though, a mask, to cover all the dust that comes out of the bag. So I read the instructions. This little knob over here is to allow more air to go in. Once you're doing this, if the holes start getting clogged up with dust or lint or something like that, you open that up and it allows more air to blow it out. Also, it's easier for you to clean too. So when you're finished, you take the sanding disc out, and if these holes are plugged, you use your fingers and just stick your fingers in there to clear out the holes, and then open this up with the air and turn it on, and it'll clear itself out. See what I'm saying? How about these lights, huh? You could sand in the dark. Pretty awesome product. If you guys are interested in it, there's a link in the description for this product. Go check it out yourself. It's very reasonably priced. Thanks a lot for joining me on this Drywall Orbital sander with a vacuum bag and these lights. Fantastic item. We'll see you guys all next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.